Hello everyone! So, Clara has been begging me and begging me and begging me to unbox some boxes, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? This is, if you don't know who she is, this is my 3-year-old Clara. Well, she's almost 3. When's your birthday?
Coming next week.
Next week, in a couple weeks. In
Yeah.
September, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So lately, every time I've been filming a video, she knows that I have these boxes and asks to unbox them. So that's what we're gonna do today. We are going to unbox my FabFitFun. And if you hear other baby noises, that's my other baby. It's just gonna be loud today. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I'm gonna pick in your nose. Yuck. Also ring your notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you want to unbox FabFitFun with Clara and I, then just keep watching. So, here it is. You got your little magazine. Do you want that? Yeah. You got your little coupon-y thingies. A little coupon for $10 off for any of you guys. Okay. What should we start with?
Yeah.
Which one should we start with? Pick one.
Yeah.
That? Okay. So first, Clara picked out a beauty blender. I really enjoy beauty blenders. That's how I apply my makeup, is with sponges, with wet sponges. And I've tried several beauty blenders and I really like them. So a beauty blender retails for $20. I do have the light pink one and I really like it. And I believe that every subscriber will receive the beauty blender. Should you pick out another one? What do you want?
How is that?
That's just the paper.
I want the paper.
Well, can you pick out an item?
Yep.
Okay, get that one.
Yeah.
This is the Skin&Co Roma Blue and Capri. It's a multi-use shower gel and it's inspired by the lemon farmers in Capri. And it's scented with wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose and retails for $22. It also says that you can use it as a shower gel or use it to create a bubble bath.
Bubble bath. Is this for a bubble bath?
You can use it for a bubble bath. Do you want to smell it?
Mm-hmm.
Should we smell it? What's it smell like? Does it smell good or bad? You just stuck your nose in it. Where are you sticking your nose in it? You're gonna get it all over your nose. Does it smell good or bad?
Bad.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it or not like it?
I don't like it.
You do like it?
Yeah.
Or you're just changing your mind?
Yeah. I'm just saying it.
It's a very herbally type of scent. Why are you picking your nose again? Stop it! It's a very herbally type of scent, so she may not like it, but I think it smells pretty good. And using this in a bubble bath, I think would just be very relaxing. So I'm pretty excited about this. Want to pick out another one?
Mm-hmm.
Which one?
That.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay. This is, I think these are towels. Yeah, they are. So this is something everybody's gonna get. This is the Simply Whimsical tea towels. They retail for $14.99 and it's just basically all it is. It's kitchen towels. I do think that they're really, really pretty, so they would be nice to hang on your oven, or if you have a little spot to hang on your dishwasher or something like that. Just like a gray and white chevron kind of color. They are pretty soft too, so I mean, they'll look pretty in my kitchen. Okay, what next? Do you want to pick something out?
That.
That's on the bottom. Pick a different one.
That one?
Okay. What?
That one?
That? What's that?
It's for Eden.
It's for Eden.
Yeah.
Oh, is that so exciting?
Yeah.
You get something to eat?
Yeah.
This is a sponsored item. It's by Luna Rika. It's just a nutritious snack and it's just a bonus item. It doesn't tell me the price or anything like that, just says it's a bonus item. Do you want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to bite?
Yeah, I will buy it.
Okay. Is it good? Okay, do you want to pick another one?
No.
She is grabbing the thing on the bottom. This is an item that I selected because you can customize certain products in your bag. Whoa, I'm getting a very like plasticky, leathery kind of smell. Okay, so this is from Camuto, I think is how you say it. And it is this little tote bag, or it's not little, it's actually pretty big. So it's just this tote bag, and this apparently retails for $128, which is crazy because that is a lot of money. So you either have the option between this or a crown brush set, and I chose this. So I think this would be really fun to, I mean, I could put my laptop in here if I needed to. You have a little pocket on the inside right here. Yeah, just a simple bag. It's crazy that it's that much money, but it's pretty. Okay, do you want to pick another thing? Okay, she picked out the ceramic and stainless steel teapot. So this is what it looks like. It is a teapot. It's really, really pretty blue with some pink flowers on it.
They put water in it.
You do put water in it. This retails for $26. I actually don't drink tea, but I could use it for some other stuff. Maybe a little decoration or something. The items that you could choose from for those were just kind of whatever to me. The teapot and the little Alfred French press coffee thing. I'm not a coffee or a tea drinker, so I really won't be using it for either of those. I really wouldn't be using either of those products, so maybe I'll give this to somebody who likes tea, or I'll just use it as decoration. That. Okay, looks like we got some Glamglow BubbleSheet Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Mask. So these are things that everybody's going to be getting. So basically it bubbles up when you put it on, and it intensively invigorates and detoxifies the skin, revealing a glowing, deeply purified complexion. I really do like Glamglow masks. So, and there's 2 of them. So I'm excited to try these out. Pick another one. Grown Alchemist. This is the Polishing Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit. This is what it looks like. I don't know exactly what this is. It just says Polishing Facial Exfoliant. It's pink grapefruit. It's got a little seal on it, and I don't want to take that off quite yet. But it just says it's a gentle skin polishing exfoliant formulated for daily use to gently eliminate dry and dead skin cells and stimulate cell regeneration. So this retails for $67. That is a pretty penny. I do like exfoliants, so I'm excited to see how this turns out. Okay, you want to pick another thing?
Yeah. Go.
That one. Okay, I think Mommy's excited for this one. So these are Cobra Bluetooth wireless headphones. Headphones. And I could use some because I want to be able to wear them when I go to the gym. If that's ever going to happen at the gym. So this is what they look like. These are pretty interesting, actually. You have your little onboard thing that controls and a neck strap to help you enjoy your music tangle free. So I think this is actually pretty cool because anytime I'm like running, I always end up like hitting the wires on my headphones, and my headphones come like popping out or whatever. So I'm actually really excited to try these out, and they retail for $40. All right, the last thing I got, this is the, I don't know how to say it, Cuccio? I don't know.
Yeah.
It's the Detox bath. It's a salt bath. I really, really like doing salt baths, especially when I'm sore or if you've just had a baby. Salt baths are the way to go. So I'm excited to try it out, and I like that there's a little nozzle on top so you can, you know, screw the lid back on. And this one retails for $39.95. Okay, so I'm just gonna go add up everything that I got and see what my total price is. The total retail value of my box was $375.94. That is a lot of money, a lot of retail value, so I only paid $49.99, which I think is absolutely amazing, so I'm pretty happy about this. I think everything in here is pretty fun. Again, with the teapot, I don't like tea, I don't drink tea, so I will either be decorating it, putting it somewhere maybe as a decoration piece in the kitchen, or I'll give it to somebody who's going to use it. Other than that, I thought this season was pretty great.
It's pretty great.
Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys got. And I'll have FabFitFun listed in my description box along with prices and everything like that with the items and links for those. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.